What's up, guys?
My name's Tony,
My name's Mete.
and today we're doing an unboxing of the new Anthem AVM70. It's a preamp pro processor, right?
Yep, my first step in the Dolby Atmos.
Let's get into it right away. Got the knife here, surgical stuff right here. I think it just came out too, so this is like one of the first editions. It's going to take us a while to review it, just because there's going to be a lot more newer stuff coming out. We also have a blue sound. Was it the Node 2i that we're testing as well for the streamer? Let's go take a look right here. Ooh, money shot right there. That's what you're working with.
That's what comes in the box. You got the ARC system. Comes with the tripod, the microphone, and each microphone is serialized. So
it's gonna be right to the correct calibration.
Yeah.
I think we're also gonna be using what's that other microphone that we got?
The UMK1.
Yep, the UMK1 is probably what we're gonna mainly use for it, but it's good to test it with the original packaging. You've got your antennas.
I don't know if you could do ARC.
You got your antennas with
Bluetooth and Wi-Fi.
It's not. You're not gonna be doing an ARC room correction. You could for the subs, but it'll be for. I think ARC might be able to let you do it. Pull that out right there. We got a cat. We want this box. You just put it in a couple box.
Gotta be careful. It's my baby.
Tons of static on it.
Look at that power cord. Pretty beefy.
I see. Just 2 plugs. Oh, that's clean right there. You're so new to opening things. It's so great.
First time.
Oh, I didn't know that it has this matte finish like that.
Yeah, that's kind of nice.
It looks more like a powder-coated black finish. You got all your XLR outputs right there. You see my inputs. Very clean looking.
Very clean looking. XLR. And the reason I chose this unit too is because a lot of pre-pros are not coming with
XLR
regular
outputs.
No.
Does it have
regular RCA outputs.
For
a lot of them have just regular XLRs now. Like the Emotiva.
There's nothing wrong with that though. I like that.
Yeah, but I could use my legacy amplifier now. I don't have to buy an all new amp or XLR to RCA output.
Can't wait to see the screen plugged in. So you got that there. Looks like there's like a transformer in there.
Yeah, it's a toroidal transformer.
Pretty heavy.
Very audiophile.
Alright. Oh, that's a smooth dial right there too. So this is what you're looking at right here, just straight out of the box. Basic things as usual. We will get back to doing a review. We'll do like a quick first couple weeks and what we think about it, what it needs for any upgrades or updates that it needs to do, and then we'll also try to get that Blue Sound Node 2i review done as well.
Yes.
All right. Apparently he's excited too. But feel free to leave a like, leave a comment as well. We try to reach out to everybody. Subscribe. And if you have any other questions, let us know. Thank you for joining us for AJV, where audio joins video.